Hi, I'm Todd Schorle and I'm the president of TS Tech Enterprises Incorporated. TS Tech is based about an hour outside of Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. I started TS Tech in March of 1996 when I was a sophomore in high school. When TS Tech first started providing managed IT services, we were simply doing alert collection from our customers. It wasn't long before we realized we needed a tool to manage all the inbound information, a better way to display the alerts, and a better way to remediate problems. We adopted Level Platforms as that tool. Level Platforms for us is a central pane of glass where we can see information on all of our backup systems, firewalls, any software that the customer is running on their computers, and much more information. Today I'd like to share with you my first knowledge nugget, and the concept is you can't simply buy Level Platforms and plop it on an engineer's desk. Level Platforms is about a business model transformation, and it requires you to sit down and think analytically about what you're doing and how you're delivering service. The second knowledge nugget that I'd like to talk about today is that everyone in your team must be involved in Level Platforms, from salespeople to engineers to dispatchers. The third knowledge nugget I'd like to share with you today is that it's important for you to define standards for your business. You have to define who your customers are, what size is the right fit, what products do you want to support, and what services are you willing or not willing to provide. The fourth knowledge nugget I'd like to talk about today is that when you properly manage a customer network, nothing should happen. So it's a critically important skill to be able to properly communicate to your customer what you're doing, both by way of ticketing, by way of reporting, and also by getting in front of them for quarterly business reviews. It's absolutely imperative that you share with your customer every time you save their bacon. The next knowledge nugget I'd like to share with you today is the concept that Level Platforms is not managed services in a box. Level Platforms is a tool to deliver managed services, but you can't expect it to be an end-all, be-all program. What it is designed to do as a managed services program is to take all of the alerts that you're getting and combine them into a single pane of glass screen where your engineers can manage your choice of an antivirus tool, your choice of a firewall, your choice of a backup tool, and deliver your own flavor of managed IT services. The sixth knowledge nugget I'd like to review today, and that's the partner community. In 2007, when we joined Level Platforms, we became part of the community, and by talking to other partners and engaging with other partners on the forum, we were able to learn quickly what it took to deliver effective managed services. Get involved with the forum, have your engineers and your salespeople subscribe to and read the forum daily, and you'll find that there's lots that's being developed out there from other companies that can benefit yours. The seventh knowledge nugget I'd like to share with you today is not just to close alerts. Every single alert that comes in either can be resolved by an engineer permanently fixing the problem technically, or an engineer upgrading that alert to a ticket or a sales activity that can potentially mean more revenue on your bottom line. The eighth knowledge nugget I'd like to talk about today is avoiding success-based alerts. One of the mistakes that we made early on is we created a lot of success-based alerts that was designed to show us if customer backups were working or if certain criteria was met each day. What we've adopted since then is report-based successes. So every morning I come into a sequence of reports that shows me how my customer backups are. This check and balance allows us to better manage the business from a predictable path or process each morning, as opposed to a success-based alert, which is unpredictable and requires a lot of manpower.